Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be testing out these INNOSUB sublimation cases that I got. Should you have any questions along the way, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will do my best to assist you in the best way possible. With that being said, let's get started. Alrighty, so here we have the INNOSUB USA blank cases with the glass insert. So I will be working on these, but I will be making individual videos. I will be posting to Instagram and to TikTok. So definitely head over there. Everything is under Chimpies Designs if you want to see that. Alright, so I went ahead and printed out my design. I use Silhouette Studio. I do have a bunch of other videos showing how I use it. I will go ahead and leave those linked down in the description box below for you all. So we're going to go ahead and just remove this clear plastic protector. So we're going to go ahead and just peel that right on back. And then now we have a nice surface to work with. So then I'm just going to go ahead and flip this onto my design. I think these cases are absolutely cool because you can actually see the design. So it leaves very little room for error or anything coming out crooked or sideways. So that's definitely a plus. And then I'm just going to go ahead and grab some heat transfer tape and then tape everything down. So when taping everything down, I like to be very generous with the amount of heat transfer tape that I apply. I don't want any room left for wiggling or moving, creating ghost marks. So here I am just making sure that I put enough tape everywhere so that doesn't happen. And then once I'm satisfied with the tape, I'm going to go ahead and grab some butcher paper. And then I'm going to place my design over the butcher paper. And then I'm just going to fold that in half. And if there's any extra paper, I like to just rip that off and save that for keychains or smaller sublimation projects that I work on. And then you don't have to do this, but sometimes I apply some more heat transfer tape onto the butcher paper, just ensuring that it doesn't move whatsoever. And then I'm just going to go ahead and press it. So here I am actually testing out the actual pressure of it because it says a light to medium pressure. So I want to make sure that I get the correct pressure. And then on this design, I'm pressing it at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. And then once it's all done, I'm going to go ahead and just open it right up and let that cool down for a few minutes. It is very, very hot, so definitely be careful with that. I turn off my heat press if I'm not using it anymore. But here I am flipping it over, and as you can see, it pressed beautifully. But here I noticed that it was backwards. This was my mistake. I mirrored the image like I normally do for sublimation. You do not need to mirror the design. So I'm going to go ahead and apply another one without mirroring the design, and you're going to see that it presses awesome, presses correct. But I am obsessed with this kind of foam case. It's nothing like your standard aluminum one. So I will definitely be ordering more of these. If you want to go ahead and try them out for yourself, I will leave the link in the description box below for you all. So this is what they look like. This one on the left is pressed the correct way. So the one on the right, I pressed at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. And the one on the left, I pressed at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. The one on the left is a little bit lighter than the one on the right, but they both are still absolutely beautiful. I am obsessed with these cases. Like I said, I will definitely be ordering more. Should you have any questions at all, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will do my best to assist you in the best way possible. I do have TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I would greatly appreciate the support over there. Once again, thank you so much for watching and have a great one.